Ladies and gentlemen, please. Please. Congressman Baxter has a tendency to embrace the theatrical in his support of this bill. Congressman, let me warn you, you are approximately 10 seconds away from committee censure.
Oh, no. Hey, would anyone mind if I close the window?
Ladies and gentlemen, please. These animals are trained. I've seen this circus act before. Congressman, I'm sure St. Francis would be envious. We, however, are not. You have 5 seconds. You march yourself and your little animal troop out of here now, or you will be forcibly removed.
I'm afraid I can't do that, sir.
Congressman?
These animals are not trained.
Congressman!
I think they want me to save them.
Save them from what, Congressman?
Saving the animals, okay. All right, I can roll with that. That's a good idea.
The flood.
A flood? Rolling out.
The flood. This has been the hottest, driest summer on record, and you say we're gonna have a flood. When might we expect this?
September 22nd, midday. That's what I was told.
Might I ask who told you?
Not in front of all those people. Don't say it. Don't say it.
God.
God? You talk to God?
Yes.
And God is talking back?
Yeah, we hung out a little.
Well, time to update the resume.
Congressman, your name is being removed from this bill. Obviously, the stresses of this office have proven too much for you. Please have the congressman removed.
No, please, you don't understand. God commanded me to build an ark. It's going to rain. There's going to be a flood. Please.
Remove him now!